Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to make cover piece on your Google Docs in a really simple process. So at first, you must open up Google Docs, and if you are creating a blank piece, you must make a cover piece at the first itself. So this is the table of content. I'm going to remove it, and to make or I'm going to make this black. So to make the cover piece, you type in whatever you'd like here, whatever that you like on the cover piece. If you want to align it at the center, you select all and keep it at center, or you can even justify it. So I'm going to keep it at center. And if the pieces were, so I'll show you right now, if like this. So if you wanted a cover piece before this or before this, what you got to do is you got to hover at the first and you got to go to insert and click on break and piece break. So you'll create a piece or the cover piece right here. This saves time and this is much easier and more scheduled or more scheduled at it for making a cover piece. And this is how you make a cover piece. You type in anything and this is how you make a cover piece. I believe I've taught you guys how to make a cover piece on Google Docs, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.